The death of a 4-year-old from Ivujivik in northern Quebec is sparking outrage and a series of investigations. Politicians and community members are calling for answers in the case of the boy identified as UC Padlayat by his family. Local MP Mandy Golmasti offered her condolences to UC's family, and Quebec Solidaire MNA Zol Zanetti is calling for justice for UC Padlayat, saying that what he read this morning is a real tragedy. In an interview with La Presse, UC's family from Ivujivik says they made several trips to the local clinic beginning on July 25th. They say the 4-year-old was experiencing debilitating stomach pains. They say their concerns were ignored by medical staff who told them to give the boy Advil. They told La Presse that UC was found unconscious on August 1st and he was transferred to the local nursing station. They say he was then transferred to the Montreal Children's Hospital where he died 2 days later. Some of Quebec's political parties say it speaks to a need for better healthcare access in Quebec's northern Indigenous communities.
We're going to need to listen to what is coming out from the people, what they need, can we improve, and how can we make change happen.
We're asking the well-being commissioner for children's rights to see this case and to do an investigation. If this is another case of systemic racism, institutional racism, like what happened to Joyce Echaquan, for example, it's tragic.
In a statement, the Office of Joyce's principal says that the incident is a brutal reminder that respect for people's dignity must translate into genuine listening and concrete action across all services offered to First Nations and Inuit. The group formed after the death of Joyce Echaquan, a 37-year-old Atikamekw woman who filmed staff at a Joliet hospital hurling racist insults at her as she lay dying. In a joint statement, the Inulitsivic Health Center, which serves the village of Ivujivik, and the Nunavik Regional Health Board say that both an internal and external review are underway into the passing of the 4-year-old child. The Quebec Coroner's Office confirms it is investigating a recent death, but would not comment on the cause or the circumstances.